Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarvindam.
The Supreme Personality of Godhead replied, "My dear demigods, do not be perturbed by this. It is due to the severe austerity and full determination of the son of King Uttanapada, who is now fully absorbed in thought of me. He has obstructed the universal breathing process. You can safely return to your respective homes. I shall stop this boy in his severe acts of austerities, and you will be saved from this situation." Here one word, Sangatatma, is misinterpreted by the Mayavadi philosophers, who say that the self of Dhruv Maharaj became one with the Supreme Self, the personality of Godhead. The Mayavadi philosophers want to prove by this word that the supersoul and the individual soul become united in this way, and that after such unification the individual soul has no separate existence. But here it is clearly said by the Supreme Lord that Dhruv Maharaj was so absorbed in meditation on the thought of the Supreme Personality of Godhead that he himself, the universal consciousness, was attracted to Dhruv. In order to please the demigods, he wanted to go himself to Dhruv Maharaj to stop him from this severe austerity. The Mayavadi philosophers' conclusion that the supersoul and the individual soul become united is not supported by this statement. Rather, the Supersoul, the personality of Godhead, wanted to stop Dhruv Maharaj from this severe austerity. By pleasing the Supreme Personality of Godhead, one pleases everyone, just as by watering the root of a tree, one satisfies every branch, twig and leaf of the tree. If one can attract the Supreme Personality of Godhead, one naturally attracts the whole universe because Krishna is the supreme cause of the universe. All the demigods were afraid of being totally vanished by suffocation, but the personality of Godhead assured them that Dhruv Maharaj was a great devotee of the Lord and was not about to annihilate everyone in the universe. A devotee is never envious of other living entities.